Hello. So today we are going to be discussing, in the next few videos, we're going to be discussing comparisons. So examples of comparisons and what that means and how you do them in ASL. So the first thing that we need to know is the constructed structure. If you forgot this, don't remember it, you don't feel really confident in it, then it's highly suggested that you go pause this video, go find those videos, and then come back to this one later. Okay. So, today we'll look at one, maybe two, depending how long this takes. If not, this will just be in the second video. How it goes. So, this one sentence: I like red flowers over white ones, and this is a comparison, right? You have two things. You have two types of flowers. You have red flowers and your white flowers, and you're comparing which one you like more. And so, we're making a comment about each one, right? So the first thing that we need to do is set up just exactly what is required of the contrasted structure. We have two things that we're going to compare, so we can contrast them. So the first thing we got is a flower that is red. The noun comes before the adjective, and if you don't remember that, there is a video about that somewhere, so go watch that. And then set it up. So flower. So remember, versus flower, the nouns are first, then the adjectives for that. So flower, red, set up. Now we have white ones. So we have white flower, so we need flower again. Let's see, I do have another flower sign, and this one's going to be white. And then we need that IX object set up. Okay, so now we have both. Trying to get this all to work without overlapping. So now we have flowers that are white on the left. So now I can go ahead and compare them. So you notice that my body moves when I set them up, right? So I also, just always move, right? Just a habit. So we have flowers that are red over there, flowers that are right over there. Now, when I sign about the red flowers, I'm going to go ahead and shift my body towards the red flowers, and then white. And I'm not saying like don't go crazy, don't look like that where you're not looking at anybody. You're just doing a slight movement so that it helps separate the ideas. Right? It's about clarity, is to help you, the watcher, the listener, or an audience, to really see that there is a difference between those two things. Right? You really want to separate those two ideas. Right? There's something over here, there's something over there. I'm also going to go ahead and move my body to help clarify. I don't want you to be confused. I don't want you to be like, which one are they talking about? Really putting them far away. And I'm not going to, roll shift slightly and put them right next to each other, because again, it just becomes difficult. You could do that. It's confusing, and it could be confusing, but for sakes of this class and everything, we're just going to really separate those two ideas. So, long story short, we have those two things set up. We have our two comparisons. So I like the red ones over the white ones. So I like the red ones more. So this is a simple sentence. We don't need to move things around. We could move things around. We could say, the red ones like more. But no, it's okay. Let's just keep it simple. I like the ones on the right more. That's it. I need some more cards. So now you notice that I wrote the letter R, and that's because gloss is all about gloss is not about understanding. Gloss is about what I need to sign. So in gloss, I am writing to help myself know what exactly needs to be done in what order the fastest possible, because I don't want to think. So I could put the word red flower, or I could just put R, because if I put red or red flower, maybe I forgot where I put the red flower. But if I just put R, I know it just means point to the right, because that is where you put it. So again, all together, flower red, flower white over there. I like this one more. Let me try again. I don't think that was actually that clear. Hold on. So flower red, point, flower white, point, setup. I like that one more. That was a little bit more clear. I did a little bit more roll shifting. So go ahead and start kind of practicing and see what you can do, and practice that role shifting, because that is going to be something that's a little bit more unnatural and you need to learn how to do more often, because it will help develop your skills, and there's more things that are going to use it, and you don't want to be over exaggerating. Kind of keep it subtle, kind of keep it simple. Don't go overboard and all of that. So in the next video, we'll just go ahead and discuss the next one.